morning, everyone. Today I'm working on the main swap, and it's called Green with Envy. We have been voting on it for a few days previously, and it was a choice between Lions and Green with Envy. It was probably because, you know, March it comes in like a lion and out like a lamb, or vice versa. So I decided it can be anything that's green. So I decided I was going to do leaves because I love having extra leaves. And so I've been cutting, let's see, I know I have one of every one here. Oh, just in time for my generator to run. And somebody asked me one day what all the noise was, and I thought, it must have been the humidifier or the air cleaner. But I think it was the generator, and it tests itself once a week. So anyhow, I'm using this Tim Holtz Thinlits die, and it has all these leaves, and I really like it. Now, I've been having trouble with this one, but I think it's because my plate is too worn out, so I actually ordered one and I'm supposed to get it today. So that's what I've been using these. This is what they look like. I guess it doesn't matter which way they're facing. And so they look like this. And so I've been doing like, I usually cut like 6-inch or whatever. So like this one here, I don't know if you can see, yeah, I guess you can. And so one set will fit on there, and then I might get like a little bit extra, so that works real nice. And so, and then I had like this was a piece from a 6x6 paper pad. This was a scrap. This was a piece from a 6x6 paper pad. I think this was a scrap. I had a bunch of green scraps, but I really love having the olive color. It's one of my favorites. So I've done a whole bunch of different colors, and and these are the leaves. And then there's still space on here. And this Ginger, she's the one who does the swaps over at Ginger's Corner. She will take every little piece and either die cut it or punch it. So I thought I'm just gonna do the same thing. Excuse me, because I always love to have leaves. So I think I've die cut as much as I can out of these. So I am gonna continue to punch. This is one leaf punch that I have. Oh, I guess you're this way. My camera's upside down to me right now, so it's always funny, because for a few minutes I want to just talk to everybody upside down, I guess. And so I might try to get, I don't think I'm gonna get one out of there. Maybe. Yeah. So there's another, I think is it that color? Or that, I think it's that color over there. I have a couple of these olives that are just slightly different from one another. So I'm going to try to use this if I can. And then I have this leaf punch. And I've been doing this, so I've got like little pieces now. Get out of there. And then I have this one. I haven't used this one. This is from Temu. And then I have another really tiny one that it's Marby. And this one, it's one of those punches that it changes out. And the one I had before it was a little more sturdy, but that one kicked the bucket, so I had to buy one. And so, so I have punched a few of these leaves. I think I'm gonna do groupings of 5 big leaves, and 5 of maybe these designs, and do that for each of the swap people. Now this is the main swap, so you send off 10. And so I think I'll probably, you know, do like maybe, you know, like, you know, 5 different ones and send to somebody. And I think I should be able to get 10 sets like that. And then if I run out, then I will do maybe, you know, several of these leaves or something. I don't know if I will throw these in unless I just throw some in at the end, but I thought I'm just going to use every inch of space, so I'm, you know, just punching everything, because I'll use it sooner or later if I don't send it off for the embellishment swap. So that's what I've been doing today. And if you want to join us, I will have Ginger's link to Facebook group where she runs the swaps, and there will be also another link that will show you what everybody else is doing. Now I don't know if everybody's showing their main swaps. I just thought, you know, I'm just going to show you what I'm doing, and because sometimes it's kind of fun to see the main swap too, because it can be a little more lumpy. Now mine is not going to probably be much more lumpy, because even if I send 5, it's pretty flat. But there will be 50 leaves in that envelope then. So that's it for today. I think I'm going to bundle some up. I have these little plastic sleeves that I have left from the Temu. And I had some that looked like the perfect size. Okay. So these ones look like they would fit these leaves really well. So I think I'm going to bundle some up, and then I'll have a picture of the little bundles at the end. And if you haven't seen my 30 days of sketches, day 6, then go look for that, because I'm also doing that today. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Okay, I thought I'd give you I'd hop back on here and give you a rundown of what I got. So I was able to get 5 in each of the packs to go out. And so so I've got 10 packs. There was one that it has, I think, 8 perfect ones, and then a couple that weren't perfect on the end. I thought they could just be tucked in. And then I threw in, so I think there's 8 in here and that are perfect. And then I threw in about 10 of these, and I might punch some more of these, because I do have some more of that I wasn't able to get a big piece out of. So I'll probably do that. That was the same one as this. Excuse me. And then so let's see, I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I got 10 packs, and then I still have some left that I can use myself. There might have been 5 in this left. Yep, I think I had 4 here, and then I have that handful there. I think there was 4 here. I think there was, and I only had 2 of these ones here. So some of them I didn't have quite enough. This looks like I might have, oh, there's 4 of those. So I tried to keep like the ones that were the same together, just in case they wanted to use them together. I thought they'd probably look better. So that's it for today, and I'll kind of give you a little close-up of what the leaves look like, and I will see you later. If you haven't seen my day 6 of 30 days of sketches, otherwise I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.